Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize Windows 10 lock screen images. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. This video is going to be really short because I didn't have any big video ideas to do for today, and that's what it came to my mind. So sorry about that. And what you need to do to change the lock screen images, you need to go to the Windows 10 settings, not in the control panel, the Windows 10 settings. To do that, go to Start and then click Settings. Now look in the right side of Settings and click Personalization. Here in the left side of the settings, click Lock Screen, the third option. And here what you need to do, look here in the preview picture, you need to change the background option that has here from Windows Spotlight to Picture. And here you can choose your picture that you want to put. To put the picture that you want, you need to click Browse and then choose the picture that you want from where you have saved it. For now I will use this picture right here, this dog picture that looks pretty good. And yeah, as you can see, it's already applied. If you log out from Windows 10 right now, your picture that you have put will be shown. You do not need to apply anything, you just choose the picture that you want and it's already done. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.